Hey everyone, remember the 90s? Those legendary nights spent glued to Snake on our Nokia bricks, and the sheer frustration of slamming that phone against the wall when we lost. Those were the days, when mobile meant one thing and one thing only, Nokia. Well, guess what? That legendary champion, who's been sitting on the bench for way too long, is finally back, and he's bulking up. This time, he's packing a weapon so powerful, it's gonna make even the biggest tech giants sweat bullets. So grab your popcorn and buckle up, because today we're diving deep into that epic comeback story, the Nokia Lumia 400. Is this really going to be the most powerful smartphone the world has ever seen? Or is it just smoke and mirrors? Let's strip this beast down and check out every single angle in this video. Design and display. Let's kick things off with the design and display, because wow, when this bad boy slides out of the box, you'll swear you're holding a piece of art in your hands. Nokia has masterfully blended that classic, nostalgic design with the ultra-modern twist. We're talking about a stunning 6.75-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display that makes colors pop so vibrantly, you'll literally be hypnotized. And for all you gamers out there, this is straight up heaven. With a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, every swipe, flick, and jump feels like flying through the air without a single stutter. Durability. It's a Nokia, fam, so you know it comes armored with Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Plus, with an IP69 rating, this phone laughs in the face of water, dust, gravel, and mud. It's your adventure buddy, no matter where you go. Security-wise, you get an in-display fingerprint sensor and AI-powered face unlock that opens your phone in a literal millisecond. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the absolute showstopper, the feature that's gonna make this phone a true king, its camera. Folks, if you're thinking about buying a DSLR, just save your cash right now. The Nokia Lumia 400 rocks a quad camera setup on the back that is straight up game-changing. The main sensor is a massive 320 megapixels, yes, you heard that right. 320 megapixels. That means whether you zoom into the moon or crop a tiny detail, the sharpness never fades, it actually gets clearer. Then there's a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures your whole crew in one epic frame, a 32 megapixel telephoto lens that brings that distant bird right into your palm, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor that gives every shot that dreamy, studio-grade bokeh effect. And for all you selfie addicts and vloggers, there's a monstrous 64 megapixel front camera waiting to capture your every moment in mind-blowing clarity. Imagine your reels, your vlogs, your memories, all captured in such insane quality that your friends won't believe their eyes. Performance. So now the big question, what kind of beastly engine is powering all these jaw-dropping features? Nokia has dropped an absolute bomb here, folks. Under the hood, this machine is fueled by Qualcomm's latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor. This chip is so ridiculously fast that you can open a bajillion apps, run heavy-duty games in the background, and still, zero lag, zero stutter. The graphics are so sharp and smooth, you'll genuinely feel like you're inside the game. And here's the cherry on top. It boots straight out of the box with Android 17. You're staying ahead of the tech curve for years to come. And what about overheating? Don't even sweat it. It features an advanced liquid cooling system that keeps the phone ice cold even after hours of intense gaming. You rarely see this level of cooling even in top-tier flagships. Battery life. Worried about battery anxiety? Yeah, forget that nonsense. Nokia has gifted us a mammoth 7500 mAh monster battery that just refuses to quit. A single full charge will easily power you through 2 to 3 days, whether you're grinding at the office, trekking through mountains, or binge-watching on a long-haul flight. And charging speed. Hold on to your hats. It comes with a blazing 100W super fast charger that juices up this giant so quickly, you'll just take a sip of your coffee and boom, 100% ready to roll. Oh, and if your buddy's phone is about to die, you can play the hero with reverse wireless charging and share your juice with them. Instant legend status in your friend circle. Price and launch date. Alright, the final and most crucial question, how much water do you have to shed from your wallet to pocket this monster? According to all the juicy leaks and insider reports, the expected price for this powerhouse in the US is going to be around $699 to $799. I mean, come on. A 320 megapixel camera, a 7500 mAh battery, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 all for that price. That's practically a steal. And when is this storm going to hit the market? Whispers suggest this beast is going to make its grand entrance by late 2026. It looks like Nokia is pulling out all the stops this time to reclaim its lost throne. This isn't just a smartphone, it's the heartbeat of millions of fans who grew up loving Nokia with all their hearts. So, tell me folks, are you hyped for this incredible Nokia comeback? Are you ready to sell your current flagship and jump on the Nokia Lumia 400 5G hype train? Or do you think this is just a pipe dream? I'm literally bubbling with excitement over here, are you just as pumped? Drop your fiery thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation rolling.